So today I'm looking at a Davis Vantage Pro 2 weather station. Problem is that the backup battery is failing after about a week, which is not how it's supposed to work. The way it normally works is the solar panel on the front here charges a supercapacitor, and that is supposed to power it during the night. But if that loses its charge, it starts going on to the backup battery. So we're going to have a look at the supercapacitor. I suspect that just needs changed.
First thing I need to do is remove the backup battery. The supercapacitor is inside this housing. So that's the supercapacitor there. So if I move the camera closer, you can see that it looks like it's been sick. There's a brown gunge coming out of it, so we can safely say that's the problem. So I'm now going to try and desolder the capacitor. But because the circuit board has been sprayed with conformal coating, it's actually easier to just snip the legs on the top and then just try and break off the capacitor. But I'm still left with a wee bit of a footer trying to get what's left of the legs out. So it's now time to put the replacement capacitor in, and the most important thing is to put it in the right way around, otherwise you might get smoke, and that's a bad thing. Just need to replace the tie wrap that holds the capacitor onto the circuit board. Put the battery back in. So if we look at the console, all the numbers I would expect are there. The top two right hand ones are the inside and outside temperature, which are both the same because the outside sensor is sitting next to the indoor one.
So it's all back together now and it seems to be working. The original capacitor is this one, which is 10 farads, but I've replaced it with one that is slightly bigger, 25 farads. So the original one is designed to work overnight, but this one, with any luck, should work better here because we're at 56 degrees north, which means in midwinter you get maybe 6 or 7 hours of daylight if you're lucky. And if it's a cloudy day, you're not going to get much charge going into the capacitor. So the test is now to put it back outside and see how long it lasts.
The weather station has now been out in the gloomy Scottish weather for a couple of weeks, and it still seems to be working through the night. If you want to see live data from the weather station, check out this address.